Alright guys, it is February 8th, which is Thursday. Been out in the shop for a couple days now. Had some family stuff I had to take care of, and got the rear quarter panel blocked on Misty, and then where the keyhole was blocked. Now it's ready for a reprime. Doing 2 primes on this. And here we got the deck lid. Now this is previously body work, so I don't have to reblock this and prime this. So these two are set and ready to go. I didn't really want to do a time lapse of me blocking this aftermarket hood. Probably spent about 40-50 minutes on it. We primed it in the last video, so I blocked it. You can see all the high spots, which are white, and then some low spots in between the white spots. So it is a must to block and prime these hoods a couple times. This is a Severini's hood, so it is expensive in a high quality hood, but they're still wavy. Just like in the first video that I showed you of Misty, how that rear spoiler was all wavy and how it looked like there was ripples in it. That's what these hoods will do, especially when you get it slick, looking like glass like I do. You'll see all those waves and then people think you didn't paint it right. It's just actually the quality of the hood. So, you know, just because you buy a $700 hood right out of the box, it's not ready to paint. You're gonna have to prime and block. I mean, you got 3-4 hours and $200 to $300 worth of material before you even get to paint. So, block this. It's good now. You can even see there was ripples right here on the side. A lot on the edges. So, we should be good now. One last reprime. Then it's ready to sand, then paint. And I know you guys are really waiting for the paint to be laid down on this, and I'm gonna show every step of that. Like I said, I just didn't want to do a time lapse of this. It would have just made me blocking and changing angles for, you know, 2 minutes, which it was so dusty anyway. So anyways, that's done, ready to paint. So we got some other parts off. Brent took all these parts off. I think I showed you guys in the last video. These side skirts need some more work before they're primed. So probably do these either later tonight or tomorrow. Bruce's car's not getting picked up this weekend. It's getting picked up next weekend because we're supposed to get a snowstorm. And Christian sent some more parts in the mail, so we got more presents from him. And really, that's all I'm doing today. I'm just trying to reprime this stuff, get it going again. I haven't been in here all week. Just like I said, I have family issues going on, so I had to take care of that stuff. But we're back. Tomorrow's Fuck Around Friday, which this video will probably continue into that. To make, you know, a longer, you know, 10-15 minute video, because I know how you guys like long ones instead of like a 3-4 minute video. So yeah, I'm gonna mix the primer up, get the heaters going, because it's like 33 degrees outside. It is sunny. We didn't get bad snow like we were supposed to. It kind of like all melted and just rained. But yeah, I know some of you guys got pounded, got probably, you know, almost a foot of snow. I've seen some Instagram pictures and stuff like that. So and also I think I'm going to start a Facebook page, like a group or something. That way we can all stay connected and share our builds and ask questions, and maybe post some pictures of some sneak peeks coming up. Like I'd post a picture of this today, which you all aren't seeing the video for, you know, maybe 3 weeks after I've done this. So maybe we'll do something like that. I don't know, haven't decided yet, but if you guys would like that, then comment down below, or it might already be up by the time this video's out. So we'll just let you know on that. So I'm getting this all straightened out. This is the same process I have to do on Tim's hood over there, his aftermarket one. It'll be a little bit easier because he's only got one hump, and Fox bodies are more flat than rounded. But same process. I probably won't show me blocking it again. You know, it takes 40 to 50 minutes to do that or so, and it's just kind of boring. So can't lose your guys' interest. So I'm gonna heat the booth up, put this in the booth, and then prime it. I'm gonna use that that epoxy black primer, because you have to base this Mystic just like Mr. Chrome in black first, and then apply the base coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the black primer. That way it's already dark, and the black base we put down will lay on a lot easier, and we're not wasting more paint, because this is expensive paint. Chris knows how much it is, and we're trying to save materials and times all at once. So I think that'd be the best bet for us. So anyways, we're gonna do that, and then I'll be back and see what else I'm getting into today. Brent is out of the shop today. Actually, I haven't even talked to him today, so we'll just see where it goes. So we'll be back. All right, so it's been about probably 10 minutes since I primed these. So they're not dry all the way yet, so I'm going to let them dry. But I put the black epoxy sealer on there, And then we're going to sand that down, and the door and quarter should be ready to paint, along with the cowl hood that I did. So this thing's all good. This primer doesn't lay down like slick as hell like it would like clear coat, so you can kind of see it looks kind of grainy, but it's just the primer. It should dry flat, which will probably take a full 12 to 15 hours to dry in this cool weather. So it'll actually dry like Christian's fenders that I have. It'll actually dry like Christian's fenders I have right here. So that's the same primer. They're just kind of dusty, but it'll give it kind of that hot rod flat look black. So that's what it should dry like. So yeah, got that done for today. Tomorrow, I just looked up, it's supposed to be about 56 tomorrow instead of in the low 30s. So I think I'm going to paint some Mystic for you guys tomorrow. I've got some overflow coolant tanks. I got some mirrors, some little pieces like that I think I'll go ahead and get out of the way and wrap up. I got the hood hinges right here, some bolts I'll do, and then gonna let that dry. Probably I'm not gonna sand the car probably till Monday, just because this kind of primer takes extremely long to dry. I don't know why, but it always wants to be gummed up and stuff. And again, that's the same primer that I used on my Fox right here when I shaved the bay in the video. I used white epoxy though, because I was going this lighter color, Avalanche Gray. So anyway, yeah, that's what's going on, and I don't know. I'm going to get into some more stuff, and we'll just see, and if not, then the video will continue for tomorrow. So I'll just have to see. It's getting late, so yeah, we'll go from there.